Hello, hi, my name is Rajiv Chopra and I'm back with a short video. I visited Italy a couple of years back in October 2022 to be exact. We were visiting my daughter who was studying there at that time. This wasn't my first trip to Italy, it was my second actually. The first time I went there, it was to Rome in August of 2008, and I thought I was going to die in the heat. But I'm still alive. When I went to Italy this time, I only carried my One Plus10 G Pro mobile phone and a pen drive and an external battery pack because I was always terrified actually that my battery was going to run dry. So always have an external drive and take or carry a pen drive if your phone supports it, or as soon as you get back to a Wi-Fi zone or a good free Wi-Fi zone, upload your photographs to Dropbox or any cloud service. Now, I use Dropbox, that works for me. And if you are an iOS user, well, the iCloud will work. Now, when I made that trip, making a YouTube video or any sort of video was not in my mind. But here I am. I'm making a YouTube video or a video per se, and I am trying to, I will use a LUT, a color lookup table, which hopefully will create a uniform film look in the image, and I'm going to edit this entire thing using Vinci Pro. We visited Milan, Florence and Venice. So here we go. We visited Milan, Florence and Venice. I like Milan even though it's not a touristy city. It's easy to move about in, the public transportation system is excellent, and if you're a brave person, I'm not, you can download the app and use one of those little scooties. The food is good. In particular, I love the grappa coffee. That's something which you must try. The cathedral is magnificent. It was crowded when we went there because it was unusually hot in Milan that year. It was unusually hot in Italy. But when you go to the cathedral, don't take the escalator up. That's a con job. You just go up one floor and then you have to climb up the rest of the way and climb down all the way. So that's not worth it. I was disappointed with Florence. Again, the food is good, but it's a very touristy city. There's a center and everything is around the center. The hotel was small and pokey, but we were in the center, so that's not so bad. Huh? The art for me is depressing. Now, if you like the Renaissance, if you like Italian art, go for it. But for me, I kept wondering, why on earth did everyone look so sad? And after a while, it just blurred. So that was Milan for me. But the one piece of art that you absolutely have to see is the statue of David. No photograph in the world can do it justice. It is outstanding. It's something which you just have to see. The attention to detail, the anatomy is marvelous. So When you go to Florence, check it out. There are a few areas in Florence as well as in Milan where they say you need to be a bit careful. So watch out. enjoyed this little video of mine, and I also hope you enjoyed the sight of my desktop icon. If you liked the video, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I will try and make more and more videos in the future with more and more tips. So see you next time.